That's an Android phone, and let's see how to find out the IMEI number. To find out the IMEI number, let's swipe down and go to the settings wheel. Okay, and I'm using the tab view. You can switch between tab and list view from here. Okay, go to the general tab, and on the general tab go down to the bottom to about phone. Okay, and here we have this one, status and IMEI. Tap on that one, and there's the IMEI number. Okay, another method to find out that number is to dial a number. So go to the dial and type in *##06 and pound. The moment I press pound, the number will show up on the screen. So pound, and there's the number, IMEI.